This is JK. In this video, I'm planning to show what's the benefit of branch metrics, which we have integrated natively for you. And then also, I will show you what are all the things you need to configure for it to work. Okay, so when you sign up, the branch metrics is already like integrated for you. But what you need to do is that you need to put your keys for it to work. Okay, let's first go through what's the purpose of it and how we use this. So when you use our app, for example, when you go to a store, you will find like shareable links. When you go to a listing, in different places you will find these share buttons. Yeah, these share buttons, you can like share it anywhere. When people click this thing, okay, when people click this URL, the exact item you share, for example, if you share this pizza item in your social media anywhere, when people click that, it will like show up. Let me see whether I still have this message here I just shared. Let me just, maybe I'll just add that in my notes so I can reuse it. So let's say I share this URL and then I go to reminders. I add it into my reminders. Okay, just SS. Then I go to the home page. I go to reminders. So it's here. Okay, continue. No, don't allow. Not now. Okay, this new reminder. If I go here, okay, I think it's not storing. But anyway, what I'm trying to share is that like wherever you share this URL, these URLs are deep links. Yeah, the technical term, which is the deep link. Wherever you share, when people click that, if they have not installed the app, it will push them to install the app. Yeah, it goes to the respective Play Store or App Store based on the device they have. And once they install the app, then it pushes directly them to this listing, which is the listing which they have clicked outside. Yeah, that's the purpose of this deep link. Branch is able to provide that deep link. And also same like a deep link, we can also like use this invite features, like people can like share the app outside. Let me try this time. Okay, it's a simulator. I don't think it will work perfectly, so I will not promise that. But anyway, yeah, so that's the purpose of it. Not just that, you can also like create quick links. For example, this is like a dashboard of a branch. You can create like marketing links. For example, I click this, I created this link. I mean, when you run campaigns, email newsletters and all those things you want to put up, yeah. So you see here, I click this link and I come from a desktop device. When I'm on a desktop device, it tells me there is no desktop app available for this app. So it tells me put your phone number, we will send you the link. Okay, so if I put my phone number, I will receive a link. Okay, other than this, branch has a lot of things like attributions and other things, but what we have implemented the branch in our app is that is for the referrals and sharing of the listing and promotions, blah blah. Okay, you can whichever the way we have implemented, it's already there, you will be able to use it. Okay, that's the snapshot of it. Now let's do go into the configuration. Okay, let me just go into my SuperAdmin. You go under native integration. When you go under native integrations, you will find this. Yeah, this is my sandbox, so nothing confidential here. So the list of things I need is that I need the app ID, live key, live secret, link domain, alternate link domain. I will show you where you can find this thing. Yeah, when you branch is a free tool. Until like 10,000 monthly active users, it's free. After that, they charge you. Okay, you can. So first, what they asked is the app ID. So you go under account settings. Under account settings, you will be able to find your key, secret key. You can copy that and paste it here, and you can copy the app ID. For example, here what you see here is 82431. You'll be able to find the 82435. I already copied it. Okay, and the second thing is that the configuration. In the configurations here, if you come under the footer, you'll find link domain. You can use the default link domain generated by branch, or you can also use your own custom domain. But when you do your own custom domain, you need to update these records in your domain DNS records, then only it will work. For example, test.freely.co. If I put this, yeah, it says it's not properly configured because it tests and verify at the right second when you entered. Yeah, so you need to like add the DNS record. Okay, you can read the branch documentation, so I'll not go in detail. The link domain is the first thing. Then these are all things you need here. Okay, let me just cancel this. When I cancel this, you can find the link domain and alternate domain. Copy this and paste it here. And also when people share this thing, for example, you see here you can find the card, the widget, the share widget. You find a title and also you find a descriptions. You can enter the title and description. But let's say when I share here, I wish I have a proper app to show you. Okay, yeah, actually I can just copy. Okay, for you, I'll just log in my personal account. It's just a dummy one. Okay, it's a sandbox, nothing confidential. If I paste here what I have copied, I can't copy in the simulator, I think. Oh yeah, actually I can copy here. The copy function doesn't seem to work, but anyway, yeah. So when people share that URL, it auto generate this text. Yeah, that's the purpose of this link description. However, the main thing is that the app ID, key, domain. These are all the things you need to input from your branch. Once you do that, then the branch integration will work. Other than this, you also need to configure. I mean, after we launch the app for you, you need to configure the URI scheme. Yeah, mostly your URI scheme will be something, yeah, : / For example, let's say it's Amazon, it'll be like Amazon. Let's say if it's Uber, it'll be like this. So your mostly we will use your tenant ID as your URI schema. Yeah, for example, if it's a Tradly Social, it'll be like Tradly Social. Yeah, you need to configure this URI schema not just for Android but also for iOS as well. Yeah, you can configure that, and after that, this need to be done for the deep links to work. Okay, then after that, once the app go live, you need to go here. I mean, for the Android redirects, for example, now the default redirect, when I put it in the desktop, it sends me here. But if people from a mobile browser who is using an Android, when they click the link, where you want them to lead, if you want them to lead to a Play Store, just put the thing. For example, if I search Tradly Social, you'll be able to find, see here. But if you want to put a custom URL, you can do so as well. Yeah, so these are the two things you need to do in terms of the configuration. I hope this information was helpful. Let me summarize. Branch is used for referral features. That's the main purpose what we have integrated in the app. Store search, listing search, and also you invite your friends. If you want that to work, actually it's a mandatory. Okay, if you want that to work, sign up for a branch free account, go to the accounts, get the keys, ID, also set your time zone, and put up those things here, and optionally you can put these descriptions and all those things. Okay, then once we provide the app for you, go to the configuration, put the URI schema, and also search your app and put it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.